Good morning. Well, we have a few clouds overhead, mainly just some lower level clouds. That's a view overlooking downtown Tallahassee there. And you can see those clouds still sticking around, but a few breaks in that cloud cover too. Now, as far as rainfall goes, most of that rain that we saw yesterday has moved a little further to the east away from us. And a few showers are out towards Montgomery, Alabama. That's about it though, mainly just some clouds. But in the past 24 hours, we did have quite a bit of rainfall. Some radar estimates here are anywhere from half an inch of rain to more than an inch of rain into portions of South Georgia, into Tallahassee. But out at the coast, they really did receive some of that heavier rainfall yesterday. And because of that, there are some higher measurements, slightly higher as well, from Crawfordville all the way to Carabel, around 1.5 inches possible. Possibly more as well, depending on where you are, around 2 inches out in Apalachicola. So we still got some beneficial rainfall. Right now, we're not dealing with that rainfall. A few areas of cloud cover, a few areas of fog too in Tallahassee, down to a 6-mile visibility there. Blakely out at 7 miles, and the temperatures all throughout the region in the upper 60s to low 70s, 68 degrees out at the airport in Tallahassee, upper 60s in Carabel and Apalachicola, and into South Georgia, already hitting the 70-degree mark in Valdosta, Homerville, and Bainbridge and Blakely as well. So we are starting out relatively warm, and we'll continue to warm up from the low to mid 70s into the 80s by the afternoon. See a few more breaks in those clouds and a little more sunshine. Those clouds are still going to stick around, though, and those rain chances aren't quite out of the picture just yet. In fact, we're dealing with some drier air aloft, very high up in the atmosphere, despite the more humid conditions down where we are at the surface. But that drier air is moving throughout the next couple of days. Notice North Florida, South Georgia, gaining that drier air over the next few hours. And with that, of course, less rain, less cloud cover too, so we'll have a little bit more of a clearing trend in the next couple of days. Now, this futurecast model here shows we're not quite out of the woods just yet as far as rainfall goes. We could have a few isolated showers and thunderstorms possible this afternoon, but notice much of the southeast will continue to dry out as we'll become dominated by that drier air aloft, and a drier air mass will just take place all throughout the southeast. That's going to keep us on the dry side for the next several days, especially after sunset tonight. Now notice on this futurecast model, there's still a few spotty showers possible into the afternoon by 3 p.m. Can't rule out a few showers. It's not going to be a washout by any means. In fact, most of us aren't even going to see that rainfall today. A 20 to 30% chance of showers depending on where you are, especially into areas of North Florida and areas south of I-10. It's not going to last long. Isolated thunderstorm is possible, but notice after sunset, all of that rainfall is going to dissipate. Will continue to clear out as well as that drier air will move in, leaving us with very little cloud cover for the next couple of days. If you are planning on heading out to the coast today, though, count on a few showers, possibly a few thunderstorms possible, and if you're not dealing with that rainfall, it's still going to be on the breezy side. There's a look at your Saturday tide times. You can get that information online at WCTV.tv. Along with today's forecast, highs will be in the upper 80s to low 90s, a 30% chance of those scattered showers. A little bit breezy at times, too. Overnight dipping into the mid 60s to low 70s, with those skies continuing to clear overnight, leaving us with plenty of sunshine for Sunday all the way through the next several days. Low rain chances because we have that dry air mass in place. That means a lot of sunshine and, of course, warmer temperatures on the way.